One more time, right in the camera.
What the f, man? You make me blow it like that.
We're at F&F Restaurant right now, 465 Court Street in Brooklyn, New York, right next door to our F&F Pizzeria and Frankies Spuntino. Frankies was born from Frank and I working as chefs in great restaurants around the world, wanting to come back and cook home-cooked food, delicious, approachable, nutritious Italian comfort food. For the English speakers or American audience, it's a shrimp scampi. That basically means shrimp twice, because scampi is shrimp in Italian. So we just call it scampi.
We're gonna cook some shrimp today. We got a little shrimp scampi. We're using a fresh, never seen the freezer. It's a 16-20 size. What I like to do, we love Frank's oil, get it in the pan, and I like to test how hot it is, just put a little butter in it. As you see, that butter sizzling. Once it starts to lightly brown, I know we're ready for the shrimp. And all I'm doing is spreading the shrimp out to get the surface area.
Well, I think it's one of those classic recipes when done right. It's, we do Gulf shrimp instead of doing imported shrimp. We do really good quality butter. We do, good quality vermouth. I think when you do it correctly and it's not a rubberized version of the shrimp, it's, you get a great expression of a shrimp dish. Those ingredients, super simple, but everybody loves shrimp, everybody loves garlic, everybody loves butter.
A little fresh garlic in with the oil and the butter. And if you see the shrimp, we're starting to get a little bit of color there. It's starting to get opaque around the edges. That lets us know we're getting closer. Can't rush a good thing. Just let it cook, take your time. If you've got a beer, now's a good time to have a couple sips, enjoy the weather, talk to your neighbors.
Never rushed anything. I mean, you just love it.
Scampi is always known as a very, very fast dish. I wouldn't cook it ahead of time. It's the kind of dish you can literally turn around on your guests, go on the fire. I said it'll be up in 5 minutes and actually be telling the truth.
A little chili flake. We're using Aleppo today. It's got a nice heat to it with just a little bit of minerality and not like the strong pepperoncini heat. And then we'll deglaze with a little vermouth. Now with the butter, you want to keep moving. You want it to do a little bit of a marathon here, because that butter, as it melts, it's mixing with the juices from the shrimp, a little bit from the wine, and it's making a nice sauce.
Having spent a lot of time cooking in France and in Europe, it's all about the quality of the ingredients, honestly. Liking high quality materials, and especially the copper pans, those are our favorites. We love those. The heat in the pan just continues to cook the shrimp without actually burning any gas or any energy. I think you can't find a better quality product for the price.
The shrimp's starting to curl, so that means we're cooked there. Too much more than this, we're totally overcooked. It's gonna rest into it, so it'll be right on the money. Now, right before we plate it, we wanna pop the basil. Fresh basil right out of the garden, it's fantastic. And I like to just tear it right at the end, right before you put it in. Sometimes you put it on the board with a knife, you lose all the flavor to the board. Our nice sauce. Don't waste this. This is all good. This is great. A little bit of fresh bread or even your pizza crust. Frank Scampi.
What we try to provide is, a good experience.
We always want to be the greatest neighborhood restaurant. So we provide a focal point for the community and hospitality and happiness and provide a sense of community. I'm Frank Falcinelli, and this is Frank Castronovo, and we proudly use Made In.